Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are fixing this blow molded case. So we're going to try to pop this out. And I'll show you a couple tricks on how to do that. So sit back and I'll guide you through it. Alright, so we're going to heat it up. Don't stay in one spot too long. You should feel it start getting like soft. It's not at that point yet. Once it gets kind of soft, then it should be ready. It needs a while. Focus on the creases too. You want to heat up on the creases. Oh wow, it's actually coming back on its own. Look at that. It's already coming out just by heating it. Wow, look at that. Wow, cool. Alright. Well, then I might not show you the second half then, but but a lot of it's just coming out on its own. It's getting softer. Wow, it's almost all out by itself. Wow, almost the whole thing came out by itself. Well, I'm going to show you the second half. If your case is stubborn and it's giving you a hard time, but this is working. Just the heat gun alone is working. Oh wow, it's like it's all by itself. It's literally coming out. Okay, well, wow, that's literally all the way out, and I didn't even need to use the second half. But I'll show you the second trick though. So we don't need this anymore. We're done with the heat gun. But wow, that came out like perfect. It's pretty good. But the other trick I was going to show you, it's still soft. Okay. So use the air gun, right? A lot of times you'll see, I don't know if you guys could see that, there's a little hole up in the top of the lid. It's going to be hard to see. But you just take your air gun and yeah, there you go. And it'll hold there. And it just releases. It's perfect. Can't even tell. So it pushed it out either way. So that's how you can fix your blow molded cases, mainly chainsaw cases, especially these pull-in cases. These are a dime a dozen. There's so many out there. But when I was transporting 80 saws in the back of the truck, I guess some of them got crushed. So with enough weight on them, they got crushed. So this one's good. Wow, that came out beautiful. Can't even tell it even happened. So that's how you do it, guys. 90% of it was done with just a heat gun. And if it's stubborn, you give it a little air. Don't go too crazy with the air because it's sealed. There was no place for the air to go, so be easy with the air. Just enough to get it out, and you pull the tip out, and you'll hear it hissing back out because it's sealed. But that's it. That's all there is to it. That was easy. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe.